Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create a watercolor art from your portrait on your Samsung S25 Ultra using AI. So with the new AI feature, you can turn yourself into a water art. So let me show you how to do this. So first, go ahead and open up the Gallery app. Find a picture of yourself in a portrait mode. Go ahead and tap on the star icon here, which is the AI feature. Now swipe left from the bottom until you see Portrait Studio. From the top, go ahead and select watercolor. This will detect your face, and then go ahead and tap on generate. Now you can let the AI do its work. And there you go. It has created a watercolor image of yourself. If you don't like this one, you can go ahead and swipe left and generate more. And then if you like this one or this one, go ahead and tap on save a copy. And now that has been saved to your phone library. So there you go, guys. That's how to create the water art portrait of yourself on your Samsung S25 Ultra using AI. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.